morning, everyone. This is Sajin with you from Doc Web Series. Okay, so today I'll be explaining or giving you an introduction to SharePoint lists. Where list is a place in the SharePoint site where you can store information with other people in your organization, and I'm just going to show you a few examples. Okay, this is the sales team site. As you see here, this is called Doc, which is a turnkey intranet portal powered by SharePoint Online. So this is actually a solution that we have built on top of SharePoint, which would help employees in an organization to collaborate and communicate effectively. So I'm going to show some examples for sites, SharePoint site lists. So this is one type where this is actually called a timeline, where you'll be able to track your tasks or activities. So that's as simple as that. And then you have a calendar where you'll be able to schedule meetings and events, and you'll be able to see it directly from the screen. So whoever has got an access to the team site will be able to see this, right? And then we have something called contacts. So this should be lying on your left-hand side. You'll be given an access. The team sites will be having different lists. So let's go ahead and click on contacts. So let's take an example, as this is a sales portal. Let's take a scenario for a sales team. So a sales team needs to have the details of companies, contacts, opportunities, activities. They require sales reports, and obviously a dashboard, right? So let's go and see what contacts would look like. So this is a typical list for contacts, right? For the sales, where a contact will help you get the phone numbers and emails of the people who work with you frequently, right? So you have a phone number and you have the emails, and it's all there, right? Since all this information is kept at the team site, everyone who works together can add or look into the list for information, and which makes things much easier for them. So they can go ahead and add, and they can view different details. So that's about the contacts. Similarly, you have for the activities. So everyone is well aware of it, and obviously you'll be able to see who has created it. So everyone knows what activity or what kind of information is created by who, right? Or even in terms of modification as well. So this can be managed through SharePoint lists. So that's all about SharePoint list in probably in a kind of a scenario or a short time that I could explain. Also, I would like to showcase a very simple feature. Now, let's say I have my information over here, like the first name and the last name. So if I want to do a kind of a query, so just wanted to do kind of sorting, right? So as simple as that, like in Excel, I can do a sorting based on alphabets. So now I clicked on the last name, and I'm looking for names which is obviously in the ascending order of the alphabets. So I clicked on that, and then I have everything listed according to that. Also, I'll be able to do custom sorting based on the name. So if I just have to click on one of them, and then I just go to the name. So it's as simple as that, similar to Excel. So you'll be able to do the sorting over here. And that's it from my side about SharePoint lists. Obviously the introduction part. I'll be coming up with more and more videos, so stay tuned to our video channel.